Hello and a heartfelt welcome to all the curious minds, artistic hearts, and technology enthusiasts who have joined us today. We are thrilled to have you with us as we delve into an exciting and vibrant nexus of art and technology, the world of digital artistry. In this fantastic realm where creativity meets technology, one of the most critical tools is a reliable and efficient graphics tablet. And today, we have a truly special treat in store for you. We will be unpacking and comprehensively delving into the latest range of graphic tablets from Wacom, a globally renowned technology company celebrated for its innovative and high-quality products. Whether you're a beginner, just dipping your toes into the ocean of digital artistry, a seasoned artist contemplating an upgrade, or a curious onlooker wanting to learn more about this fascinating world, this discussion is designed with you in mind. If you're on the hunt for a graphic tablet that is not only affordable but also high-performing, you are in the right place. So, prepare yourself for an immersive journey into Wacom's newest offerings. Our exploration begins by introducing you to Wacom's latest additions, the Intuos 4, Intuos 4 Large, Intuos 4 Medium, and the Intuos 4 Bluetooth Wireless. Each of these graphic tablets has been designed with meticulous attention to detail, aiming to simulate the feel of traditional drawing while integrating modern digital functionalities. Wacom's commitment to providing a natural drawing experience is reflected in features like pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. These features help mimic the control and nuance you experience when using traditional art tools, making the transition from paper to screen seamless and intuitive. But the innovation doesn't stop with the drawing experience. Wacom has also incorporated elements that significantly enhance the user experience. Customizable buttons provide quick access to your favorite tools and actions, saving you precious time and effort. The option of wireless connectivity liberates you from the constraints of your workstation, allowing you to create wherever inspiration strikes. No matter your art style or your creative process, there's a Wacom tablet designed to support and enhance your workflow. Pros and cons. As we dive deeper into the specifics, it's essential to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each of these tablets. We'll examine each model in greater detail, drawing from user reviews and expert insights to help you make an informed decision. Intuos 4. The Intuos 4 serves as the entry point of this series. It is a compact and lightweight model, featuring an active area of 6.2 by 3.9 inches. Its small form factor makes it an excellent choice for artists who value portability and often find themselves creating on the go. However, its small size may pose a limitation for artists who engage in detailed work or those accustomed to a large canvas. Intuos 4 Large. Next in line is the Intuos 4 Large, a generous canvas offering an active area of 12.8 by 8 inches. It's a boon for artists who thrive on spacious work surfaces and prefer a larger drawing area. However, this generous size comes at the cost of portability, and it also carries a higher price tag. Intuos 4 Medium. The Intuos 4 Medium offers a balanced active area of 8.8 by 5.5 inches. This middle ground size seems to resonate with a broad range of digital artists, offering sufficient space for creativity without being too cumbersome to handle or too heavy on the pocket. Intuos 4 Bluetooth Wireless. The Intuos 4 Bluetooth Wireless is the tech-savvy sibling in the family. It matches the basic Intuos 4 in size but adds the convenience of wireless connectivity. This feature liberates you from the shackles of cables, allowing you more freedom and flexibility in your workspace. However, this freedom comes with the responsibility of keeping your tablet charged, and it carries a slightly higher price tag. Comparison with other brands. In the fast-paced and competitive world of digital artistry, it's important to be aware of other players in the market. Brands such as Huion, XPpen, and Gaumon are giving stiff competition to Wacom, offering similar features at competitive prices. Let's see how they fare in comparison to Wacom's offerings. Huion's tablets are known for their affordability and a feature set that doesn't compromise on quality. Models like the Huion H610 Pro V2 and Canvas Pro 16 have made a mark in the market. However, users have occasionally reported issues with driver compatibility and durability, which could be potential deal breakers. XPpen. XP Pen offers a diverse range of tablets, from the budget-friendly XP Pen Deco 01 V2 to the more advanced XP Pen Artist 12 Pro. These tablets are generally more affordable than Wacom's offerings. However, they may not match up in terms of build quality and customer service, which are crucial considerations for many artists. Gaomon. Gaomon is another brand that has been making waves in the market with its range of affordable and feature-packed tablets. Their PD1560 model, for instance, offers a large active area, a battery-free pen, and a high level of pressure sensitivity, providing a smooth drawing experience. Gaomon tablets are often praised for their good quality and competitive price. However, some users have reported issues with the pen pressure and the screen's color accuracy. Additionally, the brand might not have the same level of customer service as Wacom, which could be a deciding factor for some artists. Wacom has garnered a reputation for quality and reliability, and its new series of tablets maintain this high standard. The tablets are well-rounded, and the variety of sizes and features mean there is likely a model to suit every artist's needs. However, they are slightly more expensive than some of their competitors. On the other hand, the digital artistry landscape is diverse and continually evolving. Brands such as Huion, XP Pen, and Gaomon offer quality products at more affordable prices. While they might lack some of the advanced features or the established reputation of Wacom, they could be a more economical choice without a significant compromise on quality. It's important to remember that a tablet is merely a tool. The magic lies in your creativity and skills. No matter what tablet you choose, continue refining your craft and pushing your creative boundaries. The road to becoming an extraordinary digital artist is paved with perseverance, passion, and continual learning. As we wrap up this comprehensive review, we hope you found this guide insightful and helpful in your quest for the perfect graphic tablet. Your engagement fuels our efforts to bring you top-quality content, and if you found value in this discussion, please show your appreciation by giving a thumbs up and subscribing for more insightful content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts on Wacom's tablets or any other brands you're considering. So, don't hesitate to share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Your insights not only help us but also aid other readers in making informed decisions. Keep watching our other related video. Thank you for tuning in, and until we meet again in our next review, we wish you happy designing and look forward to seeing the fantastic art you create.